guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. But if you are new to my channel, what is up? I hope you guys choose to stay on my channel. Make sure you are subscribed and hit the little bell notification so that you can see more of my videos. I decided to start kind of like a new little video series of like all of my tips and tricks for eating healthy, getting back into a healthier lifestyle, losing weight if that's your goal, because I know it is mine. And so I want to start off the whole series of these videos with the most easy, my most favorite, most important, I feel, aspect of getting into a healthier routine, eating healthy, all thatness. It is the basic flavored lemon water, but this is actually gonna be your not so basic lemon water, because we all know, or if you don't know, I'm informing you now, my vibe right now is lemon lime, because I just think it's so good. It gives you a little bit of a different flavor than your basic lemon water. I want to start the series with this specific recipe just because I feel like it's one of the easiest tips, one of the easiest changes you can make into your lifestyle, your life, your health journey. It's just flavored water. One of the most basic but not so basic recipes of flavored water there is, and from this I feel like you can kind of add to it to make it your own, add different flavors to it to make it really exciting for you so it doesn't get boring. And I have a special way of making it easier for you guys to like keep doing it every day and actually make it a routine and actually make it a habit that sticks. I think that's like the most important thing about getting healthy, is to actually make it a lifestyle change. Here on my channel, we're making lifestyle change without it being such a difficult, almost impossible task. That was the longest intro ever, but I feel like it was needed for the first video of this series anyways. We'll only need a few ingredients for this. It's super easy. So obviously you are going to want more lemon. My lemon looks kind of crusty, but that's why we're using him today. And then obviously if you want the lemon lime vibe, you're gonna need a lime. Your water. I like to go with a nice filtered water. This one is just in my zero water. That's too large for the screen. I love it, but any filtered water will do. Or tap. I just don't personally like drinking tap water. For some extraness, what you are going to need obviously is a cutting board so that you can chop up your lemon limes. To make it an easy go-to drink, I like to grab some kind of like bottle to put it in. This is just a BPA free, just a large bottle. I don't know, just so that it lasts a few days so you don't have to remake this every single day. Obviously you are going to need a knife to chop up your lemon limes, and then you will just need a like lemon squeezer, like a little juicer thing. All I do is just half of a lemon and half of a lime. So half this lemon, woo, and then half of this lime. Super easy. And then we're just going to juice this on into our bottle. And take my bottle, take my little lemon squeezer, and we're just gonna squeeze each one in there. You don't really need one of these like squeezers. It just makes it a lot easier to get the juice out. And I usually just do half and half, because otherwise it just makes it overwhelming. It's gonna be sitting there for a few days. There's my squished one. If you don't like limes, you can just do one full lemon if you want, or if you want to do a full lemon and a full lime, or full lemon, half lime. It's totally up to you and what you prefer flavor-wise. But I like to do it this way too, because if I'm gonna add a little extra lemon or lime, add it to my cup individually. Now I'm going to take my zero water pitcher and just pour the fresh water in. Super easy. I don't like cutting up the lemon or the lime is because the rind is gonna make it really, it gives it like a stale flavor. It just doesn't taste as good. So only put the juice in, because once you start adding the rind, if you just slice it and put the pieces in here, it's gonna make it taste bitter and like just not as good. There you go, super easy. Some things that I like adding to my lemon lime water also is mint and raspberry. Usually though, I don't keep it in this bottle because I like keeping this as fresh tasting as possible. Sometimes if you add the mint and let it sit there for a few days, it makes it not taste as good. Raspberries I don't really mind. I don't think that changes the flavor in a bad way too much. Usually every morning I will grab this and just put some in my cup. Like I said, if you guys want to make it a little bit stronger of the lemon lime flavor, what I do, this is only sometimes I'll grab like a few slices of lemon lime and put it in my actual cup. And usually too, I like to do more lemon than lime, because sometimes the lime again can kind of make it a little bitter and not as good. And so if I'm being extra bougie, I might add just a mint leaf, but I don't have any today. Another way that I really like drinking my lemon lime water is to add some raspberries in it. Also keep it cold. It kind kind of acts as my ice. So I just have these frozen raspberries from Trader Joe's. I like to keep them frozen. It just helps them last a little bit longer. And like I said, you can use it kind of like ice. And I love adding raspberries to like any and every drink. But the reason why I really like making it this way in the bottle is because it makes it so much easier for you to actually drink it every day. Usually I only drink one of these a day, like 1 cup of these a day, just because one, I don't want to mess up the enamel on my teeth because acidic fruits, acidic anything really, but mainly lemons, are really, really bad for your tooth enamel. It just kind of like strips it. I do suggest actually drinking this stuff with a straw, obviously a reusable straw, save the turtles. I usually only drink one of these a day and then I just have normal water the rest of the day just because I like to make it last and I like it to be the most budget friendly it can possibly be. This is another way that kind of like extends the life of your fruit so that you're not spending a ton of money. It's not like you're using a whole lemon a day and you have to keep putting more money into lemons, you know? With it being in this water bottle, it makes it so much easier for you to just grab as your first drink in the morning so that you're not tempted to drink something else that's super sugary like orange juice. I know a lot of us love orange juice. I always suggest starting the morning off with water to just kind of cleanse your body out. Obviously the lemon is really gonna help with that as well, to just get your body going, clean your system out, and just get your metabolism going. Even if you guys think you don't really like limes, maybe add just a little bit at a time and go from there. And then, like I mentioned in the video, you can also add in some mint leaves, and also, like I like to do, is add in my raspberries because I add raspberry to everything. This one's been sitting for a little bit now, so the raspberry flavor is there. So refreshing. I'm so excited to bring these videos to you guys and to just give you some of my tips and tricks to getting on into your healthy lifestyle, healthy journey. I know a lot of these changes can be super difficult, but by making your life easier, I'm serious, by doing little things like adding the water into a bottle so that you're not having to make lemon water every single day, it makes it easier for you to grab. We want to make the healthier options the easiest option for us. So obviously it's gonna be easier too if you guys just don't get any types of juice and have those in your fridge. That's usually my best way to go about it too. But to make sure you're actually getting something to cleanse out your system and everything, just have this pre-made so that it's super easy for you. Usually this will last me maybe 3 or 4 days depending on the size of the cup that I drink. Sometimes I do have like a big drink, a big cup of it in the morning. Just kind of depends on how I'm feeling that day. I wouldn't stretch this out a whole week because that's kind of weird, and I definitely don't suggest, like, if you have like a little bit left, to just add more water. Like, no girl, drink it up and then just make some more after like 3 days. It's cool, but at least for those 3 days you weren't having to cut up, make your lemon water every single day. Well, you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you're looking forward to more of my wellness videos and like tips and tricks, simple hacks to get yourself healthy and in that body shape that you are looking for this summer and for the rest of your life, because I know it's so cliche, but it's a lifestyle change. But by making these little small changes, it makes it so much easier to form healthy habits. That is it for this video. I can't wait to do some more of my favorite recipes with you guys. I've been wanting to do this for so long and it's finally happening. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also let me know in the comments some of your guys' favorite things to add in to your water to make them super yummy. Or if you've already been on the vibe and into the lemon lime, let me know in the comments below as well. Muchísimas gracias for watching este video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.